Hello friends, today in this video I am going to bake some Teatime Wholewheat Jeera Biscuits. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, do like, share and subscribe. Now let's get baking. In a mixing bowl, take 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed, that is take 2 tablespoons of whole flaxseed and then grind them in your blender jar. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut sugar or brown sugar or jaggery. Add salt to taste and then mix it properly. Then add 1 tablespoon of jeera or whole cumin seed and then mix it properly. Add 1/4 cup of vegetable oil of your choice. Both flaxseed and jeera seeds have their own nutritional benefits, so these are the ways you can incorporate them in your diet. Take 1 cup of milk and then add as required slowly to make a smooth and soft dough. The quantity of liquid that goes into your dough depends on the weather and temperature of the place you live in, so always keep the liquid in reserve and add slowly, a little bit at a time. Knead slowly with your hands. If you are a vegan, you can take any non-dairy milk. So now the dough is ready. Grease a baking tray and line it with a parchment paper. Divide the dough into small balls and then take one ball at a time and flatten it in between your palms. Grease your palm with oil or water if required. If you want to use cookie cutters, roll the dough using a rolling pin on a flat surface and then use the cookie cutters to cut the dough. I am going to bake these cookies in a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade for at least 25 to 30 minutes. You can also bake them on your gas using a karhai or a pan as shown in my previous videos. My healthy Jeera biscuits are ready after 30 minutes. They are crisp and filled with goodness of flax seeds and jeera seeds. Do like, share and subscribe and press the notification bell icon for further video updates.